Hello, my name is Oliver Shields with Moon Audio, and today we are checking out the Meze ADVAR. So these are some new iems coming from Meze Audio, and let's check them out. So it's a pretty cool box, nice design. Ooh. But yeah, these look really nice. Just the gold on black, very classy looking. Just kind of reminds me of something at the jewelry store you get, like with the diamonds on the black felt. But they're very small compared to other iems that I've seen. Like from what I know of, like Empire ears, those would be like twice the size of these. So these are pretty tiny. So here we have the Empire Ears Odin and then the Meze ADVAR. So you can just tell the size difference. This one I guess is more flashy, but this one's got that more suave look to it. They also come with this nifty travel case, just so they don't get damaged in your pocket or wherever you're carrying them around. Keep them safe. Obviously got Meze on the front, but also in that classy black finish. And then in here it looks like you're gonna find all you'd expect. Comes with the stock cable, also a brush for cleaning the ear tips or for working on your mustache. We're stuck in here. There we go. So here's the stock cable that you would use with the iems. Little handy keychain. Meze Audio. And then in here would just be all the different sized ear tips for the iems. So nice little case. Yeah, I think it's cool. It just has all the essentials that you'd really need. And I guess the next step is finding out how they sound. So this IEM has the MMCX connector and the stock cable with it, and so that it just easily snaps in. There you go. And it rotates 360 degrees, so it's easy when putting it in your ear. So I'm going to open up the ear tips, find the right size for me, and then we can give these guys a listen. There we go. So they feel very comfortable. They're very light, almost like having regular earbuds. Also, one thing we noticed when connecting the iems is that this keychain is also used for disconnecting the cable from the IEM. Just if you're having a little hard time getting purchase on the cable, you can use this guy to make it a little easier. So that's kind of a nifty little tool that Meze gave you in the little box here. Well, I think these iems sound great. If you want to see the formal review that we're going to be releasing, look out for that on our YouTube channel. If you want to look at more of the specs as well, check out moon-audio.com. And this has been Oliver with Moon Audio, and look forward to our next video.